Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to share a little bit of a swap that's going to be going out to the lovely Kim. I previously shared what Kim had sent to me, this gorgeous oh my gosh, I can't even think what they're called, embellishment box. My mind went blank then. Yeah, so we decided to do an embellishment box. So this is what the lovely Kim sent to me in her swap, and this is what I'm going to be sending out to her. So we said an embellishment box. So this is my if I move that, this is my embellishment box. I decided to do like a belly band, so then she can kind of it'd be easier to reuse this, and she can use this for something else. And this is what I've put in my embellishment box. It's got a variety of different sequins and velvet ribbon, pom-poms. These are like little wooden star pieces. They're quite big, in silver and gold. Yeah, some other bits and bobs in there. And that's the like a belly band, I guess. That's just slides on top. So you can always cut this up and use this as a card base if she wanted to, and things like that. So that's that one. And then it was a few extra goodies. So I've got this tag which I'm going to put on when I've sort of wrapped these all up, packaged these all up. I think I got these from Home Bargains last year. I then got this cute little notepad. You can never have too many notepads, and this one's quite handy because it's got a big magnet that you can stick on your fridge. Yes, I'm going to send that out. And this I shared in a previous haul, Hobbycraft haul, so I thought it'd be nice to send her that. And it's I guess you could use it for autumn as well as Christmas. It's a nice size die, so we've got that one. So that's those ones. And then the next thing I'm going to put in is one of these. These are like a table decoration, but you could also I think this bit's wooden but the other bit's like paper. You could add it to a project or an album or something like that. And then the next thing is this felt bauble. I thought it would be kind of great to send something like that. You can put it together and then add it again to a project. And then the last thing is my card. Really cute. I think I used all different bits and bobs. I think this was like a scrap piece in my stash, and this is embossed. Put some little gems on, sentiment, and that's it, guys. A really quick video today, but this is what I'm going to be sending out in our embellishment box Christmas one in July. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will leave the link on the screen to the video that I did sharing what Kim had sent to me. I do apologise if you can hear kiddies in the background. The kids are off at school at the moment, and they're playing in the garden at the moment. There is an adult obviously out there looking after them. But yeah, that's it. I hope you're all having an awesome day, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye.